So if you've seen in the last video, we took it drifting and beat the crap out of it. It performed very well, other than the cam sensors, which have been replaced, so it does not throw engine code anymore. But another thing that was just terrible with this car was the suspension. So much body roll. If you look in the corners, you couldn't transition because all the transfer would go straight to the body roll. We're gonna put suspension on it. And because this is a budget drift car, we got budget coilovers. We got maxpeedingrods, which is the cheapest coilovers I could find. 500 bucks. Let's hope they hold up for the next drift event, but let's get them installed. We just started working on the car. We thought 300,000 kilometers, the guy has only replaced brake calipers since he bought the car brand new. And we got both bottom bolts undone, and the top three of the top hat over here, we didn't even PB blast this side and they came off. So I think we're gonna get this done tonight. Oh wow.
Well, that's gonna work.
Just about took your jaw out.
Oh my, you just...
Okay. So we got the maxpeedingrods, the most budget suspension that I could find, 500 bucks. So hopefully they last for a while. Yeah, my plan is to go as low as I possibly can. I want to slam this thing and also just stiffen it up. That's kind of the whole idea. But hopefully they last and don't crack.
It should gain camber though.
Yeah,
just overall.
Yeah. I dropped it. That's funny.
What?
Why not break this one? That's pretty tight. Yes, it is. Hear that? But that's my bushing being twisted around.
Oh man.
Did you hear that? I don't have a bushing anymore.
Yeah, it's gone.
I snapped. This is the welds that go to the actual strut. I snapped that.
The maxpeedingrods don't even come with that welded nut that we snapped off, so you have to have a nut and bolt combo. Unlike what you need on here originally, because there's a bolt that goes into a nut that's welded, but the maxpeedingrods doesn't have that.
So it's the next week since the last couple of clips, when we took the bolt out, it snapped and twisted my bushing into a billion pieces. It's killing itself, guys. Check it out.
So there you go. This is out.
We're gonna top it out. Give me a hammer.
No.
Everything's locked and loaded.
Woo! Bump stop like I did.
Oh. And they're like,
stupid. Oh my!
She had some kick
Whoa, dude. No.
Check that out. We're gonna have to do some adjusting.
A little bit.
We could. Here we got the bushings in the freezer. Nice and cold, ready to slide right in. Time.
Yeah, so like, you know.
Applying for a less hour.
That's too damn bad.
I actually don't. You're the one that does.
Yeah, I do.
You keep saying this thing's clean.
It is.
It's not.
Yeah.
Let me talk to poor girl. Talk to
We finally finished getting the suspension in last night after getting bolts for it, because we had to cut the bolts out of the stock suspension after putting in new bushings that we pressed in. When we lowered it yesterday, it was slammed to the floor, which we thought was really cool, but we couldn't even really turn the wheels. So it would rub the fender every single time we went to turn, which is obviously not good for drifting when you want to go full lock. So we've just raised it now. This is almost the height. Once it's on the ground and both sides are on the ground, it will be a little lower. Okay, go for it.
So there you have it. You have the cheapest coilovers you can get for your G35. Now my review on this, the installation for me was hard because we broke a bolt and had to put new bushings in. But installation for the front was amazing. Once we had the bolt in the back, it went right in. Only thing is, it's very bouncy. And you know, they're from China, they're cheap. It's a little bouncy for my liking. It's maybe just a bit better body roll than stock, which is kind of unfortunate, but it definitely lowers it quite a bit. We had it slammed, it was rubbing all the time. We raised it, now it's good. We're gonna take it to the drift event just like this. There you have it, the cheapest coilovers you can get for your G35.